I'm not going out today. What's this? I don't got your matters, Bolele. What's up, guys? Today is really a wonderful day. I have no intention of making any video today, but I just wanted to show you what's going on in our compound right now. It is really snowing, like snowing so badly right now in Toronto. I think it started like yesterday night and it's going to go all through 4 p.m. today. Guys, we are okay. This is 10 a.m. this morning. I was supposed to go out, and when I woke up and saw our window, I was like, no, I'm not going anywhere anymore today.
Oh, look how nice. Snow. Seems pretty cool at first, until you want to go outside and snow. You want to take a walk? Snow. You want to have lunch? Snow. You want to go for a drive? Snow. You want to go work out? Snow.
Come to Canada, they said. It will be fun, they said. Does this look like I'm having fun? Well, you're goddamn right I'm having fun. Canada's a beautiful country, bud. Don't let anyone tell you different.
This is crazy.
Guys, I want to go outside right now. I want to go outside right now to see exactly how the whole place looks like. That's why I'm coming outside. That's why I'm coming outside. Guys, see, this is our entrance. My husband has been trying to clear these. Okay. Whoops. Ah. Ogobi by Tife. Oh, Tife. This thing can cover this building if you are not careful. If it doesn't stop.
Crazy right now.
Wait, what? Yeah. What? What's this? This is our walkway. Guys, I don't know if you guys are seeing what I see right now. What did you say? Sure, remember. You can't see it now. But I'm sure it is totally covered because this thickness.
I have to come back again outside like 4 times today.
Yep. Jump. Hello guys, so this is the second day and I'm just going outside to see what our street looks like. Let me show you our entrance now. Babe did a lot of work yesterday, so we are able to get out of the house. So now see, you all saw this yesterday. Let's go outside and see what it looks like. And like telling me to come and see outside. Outside looks so beautiful. Oh wow, I look so beautiful too. Why is my face shiny like this? Yeah, I know I used oil in my hair. I washed my hair this morning and there's trickle down. Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Canada.
Oh really? Yeah. Whoosh. That's our landlord greeting me. I think our landlord got someone to come clear this place. I'm just going to this house over there using blower. Hi guys, so I'm outside and this is the walkway of the main road. This is the third day, by the way, and it seems like it rained overnight. If you are new here, remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you can always know whenever I put up my several videos on living in Canada. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye.